Here's a certified 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is a mix of adrenaline, adventure, sport utility, and sports car. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, external memory control, smart device remote engine start, driver and passenger memory seats, and auto shift manual transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.